Hey guys, Vid Styles here. This is a vlog with my brother and my cousin, who is really shy. Diya ko na hindi ka mapakita sa camera, shy kagid gay. Right there, where I just added the light, where I darkened it. Okay, whatever. So, today, this is me.
I'm gonna make
Baron. Pakita. Ay. Ta. Wait ka kapakita. Shy kagid. Yeah, that's him. He's a scaredy cat.